In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Outlook account permanently. Before we start, remember that closing a Microsoft account is permanent after a short waiting period, and it affects more than just email. Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox services, and other connected products are tied to the same account, so take a moment to prepare carefully. First, back up anything you want to keep. Save important emails by downloading them through your Mail app or forwarding them to another address you control. For files stored in OneDrive, download copies to your computer or an external drive so you're not relying on cloud access after the account is gone. If you use Xbox, make sure any game saves or purchases you want to preserve are synced to another profile or documented, because access tied to this account will be removed. Next, update any other services that use your Outlook email. This includes social media, banking, shopping sites, and subscriptions where you use that address to sign in or receive recovery codes. Change the contact email on those accounts now so you don't get locked out later. Then cancel any Microsoft subscriptions associated with this account, like Microsoft 365 or Xbox Live. Ending subscriptions before closure helps prevent billing issues and ensures you aren't paying for services you can't use. When you're ready, open a web browser, search for Close Microsoft Account, and go to the official Microsoft account closure page. Sign in with your Outlook credentials. You'll see a page explaining exactly what closing the account means: loss of emails, contacts, OneDrive files, and access to services like Xbox and Skype. Read these warnings carefully so there are no surprises. To continue, verify your identity. Choose a security method, such as a code sent to your phone or an alternate email, and enter the code to confirm it's really you. On the confirmation page, check all the boxes indicating you understand the consequences. Select a reason for closing the account, then click the button labeled Mark Account for Closure. At this point, the account isn't immediately erased. It's placed in a waiting period, usually 30 or 60 days, so you can recover it if you change your mind. During this time, do not sign in. Signing in can cancel the closure and keep the account active, which resets the process. If you're sure you want it gone, simply leave it alone. After the grace period ends, the account and its data are permanently deleted. That's it. Take your time with the prep, follow the steps, and you'll close your Outlook account safely. Thanks for watching.